Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is an absolutely great way to unwind and relax, especially if you have any sore muscles like in the calves and kind of behind your shoulder blades, the bottom of your feet. And that is because it is a super mini massage gun. So this was sent over by a company called HeyChy. This is their cute X1 model. And the one I have here is nice and emerald green looking. So once you open it up, you're naturally going to get a user manual that tells you about it. You're also going to get a little spare rubber attachment here that goes on the back of them in case it ever breaks. You're gonna get a nice little bag here to keep everything in so that way you don't lose it, especially the little attachments. You're gonna get a USB to USB Type-C charging cable. That's how you're gonna power up the battery on this thing. This thing does have a 650 mAh battery. What does that mean? Depending on your settings, on the lowest setting, you're gonna get about 5 hours on this thing. So you get plenty of time as far as utilizing. It's not a one and done situation. You're gonna be able to use it multiple times, even on the highest setting before you have to charge it up. You're gonna get a little lanyard if you wanna utilize this to keep on your wrist. I don't ever use this. It gets in the way, which is why I don't have it attached, but it's an option. It's gonna go ahead and attach right there at the bottom if you want to. And then you're gonna get essentially 4 different attachments. The one I have right on here is the ball one. That is my personal favorite. It is your main one. It's great for your big muscle groups. So if I'm doing the back of my calves, absolutely feels really, really good. So how you put them on, they just twist on and off. So that way they're secure. They're not one of these that you push on and pull off. So they're not gonna come off while you're utilizing it. Then you're gonna have the little fork one. That is perfect for going down between your spine. Essentially, your spinal cord is gonna go right there in the middle, and you're gonna get into those grooves really, really nice. Just make sure you stay in a line because it may hurt if you hit your spine. You'll feel a little jump. And then you're gonna have the little flat surface. Once again, this is a great one for large muscle groups. If you're doing your biceps or anything like that, buttocks, that kind of stuff. It works very, very well for that. And then finally, you're gonna have like the little bullet one. This is the intense one. If you have a knot like in your shoulder blade, or you really want to get into a spot on your bottom of your feet or something, that's what you're gonna use this guy for. It's gonna get in there. It's a very precise, precision location kind of guy. It's intense. If you're not liking intense stuff, this one may not be for you. But like I said, the big round ball one, that is the one I absolutely like. And as you can see, this thing is super compact. It fits easily in my hand, which makes it very easy to utilize, very easy to carry. It's not very fatiguing or anything like that as far as holding it. I'll give you an idea of the size. It's about 4 3/4 inches kind of long here. It's about 1.5 inches in thickness, if you will. And from the back to the end of the ball, it's about 2 3/4 inches long. On how you're gonna operate it, there is a little port in the back. That's where you charge it up. And then on the bottom is the button. Simply gonna hold that down and it's gonna turn it on. Now you're gonna notice this thing has adjustable settings. You're gonna have 5 different settings. On the low end, it's gonna do 1800 RPMs. On the high end, it's gonna do 3000. Just tap the button and it's gonna increase in the speed. It's not loud at all. Even on the highest setting, it's not loud at all, and it feels absolutely great. So it's not gonna be like obnoxious or anything when you're utilizing it. Now, as far as the pressure, this thing is capable of doing 18 pounds of pressure as far as the force of it, and it has an aptitude of 7 millimeters if that's kind of important features to you. And the aptitude is basically how deep it's penetrating into your your muscle group, if you will. Because it's nice and compact, it's also perfect for travel. I absolutely love bringing this, especially if I'm driving somewhere, like on a long road trip, right? Because you're gonna get sore from being in that same position. This is a great way to relax those muscles at the end of the day. So overall, like I said, if you're looking for a great gift for yourself or for a loved one, wanting to give the power of a nice little massage, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do tip respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.